Good morning and welcome. In this ongoing segment on dating, I will supply you with the means and methods for attracting a woman, including, but not limited to, booking a date, then having a love-making engagement. Today I am joined by Dandy Darby.
It's just Darby.
Come on in.
Oh, thank you. How are you?
Okay. Begin by forming a rapport. I recommend keeping it light and friendly. What, may I ask, is new with you?
Oh, not much. I'm just excited. It's my first time on TV.
Thanks for responding. At this point, we have established a rat-a-tat-tat, a playful banter.
Oh, what's new with you?
I was just
I'm sorry, what was that?
weightlifting.
Oh, I would have never guessed.
Excuse me. If you find that your target isn't being receptive to your charm, try asking a riddle. This will distract from any of your more obvious flaws. What is black and white, but red all over?
A newspaper.
Fuck. Okay, well, good for you. What's your ideal romantic partner?
Oh, geez, that's a hard one. I'd say someone who's nice, confident, has their life together.
I can be anyone you need me to be.
Nice.
Okay. So, what is going on in this world? I'm turning on my TV, and I can't believe my eyes. What about you? What about your beautiful eyes?
I try to disengage from all that. It's just so hard to face the world's tragedies, you know?
I understand. That is so cool. Now that I've flirted, I'm going to make contact in a professional manner. Don't get too eager here, okay? You don't want to end up like longtime viewer and good friend of mine, Daryl. He's been arrested for indecent exposure. I'm going to go for a handshake. If you may. Thank you. Now she's thinking, I want more of that, Buster.
No, I wasn't.
Well, okay. It's time to build compliance. This is where you need to get hard. You need to ask them the tough questions. So, if you were forced, absolutely forced, to sleep with any of these 4 following things, what would you select? Be honest. Would you choose the soiled Band-Aid? Perhaps the dumpster? A child that has been taken hostage. It's a tragedy. Or myself, me, in a suit.
That's so messed up.
Okay. Now, what's messed up is that I just got a brand new motorcycle and I don't have anyone to watch me ride it. It's very fast and it's very cool.
That's a bummer.
Yeah. Well, no one there to watch me ride it topless.
Oh, that sucks.
Okay. Whew. Getting a little hot under these lights. Mind if I take off my designer blazer?
What, really? I'm actually shivering.
You're cold. Well, I spent the morning in an orphanage. It was burning and I was there to save the children because I have a hero complex. It's just another Tuesday for me.
Can I get my $50 now and leave?
You seriously had to pay her to come in?
We pay them all?
That's really pathetic, man. You have to pay women to come in here?
We only do what you ask, champ.
Wow. Okay. Well, you aren't going to win them all. That's the nature of the hunt, and perhaps a more valuable lesson than if I had won her heart like the countless others before. Feel free to call me at the number below if you are a woman and you would like to chat. Bye-bye now, and remember, it's not how much hair a man has on his chest, but how much hair he has in his heart.